Breaking news. A tragic incident had unfolded in Odisha, India, where a train collision resulted in the loss of several lives. Today, we dive into the details of this devastating event and shed light on the recent developments. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates on this unfortunate tragedy. On the 2nd of June 2023, a tragic incident took place in Odisha when two trains collided, resulting in the loss of 293 innocent lives and leaving many injured. The incident sent shockwaves across the country, and the aftermath has been heart-wrenching. The Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, has been tirelessly investigating the matter to determine the cause of the collision. In a recent development, the CBI has made significant progress and arrested 3 railway officials believed to be responsible for the tragedy. The arrested officials are now facing charges of negligence and misconduct that allegedly led to the collision. This incident has raised serious questions about safety protocols, maintenance practices, and the overall accountability of railway authorities. The collision has sparked outrage among the affected communities and citizens nationwide, demanding justice for the victims and stronger safety measures in the railway system.